Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And it is Happy Halloween, guys. And here we go. We're coming from Sengled. Smart Wi-Fi LED A19 bulb daylight. Alright. Alright, so thank you guys for watching today. And now we're going to see what these things look like. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Ooh, I want to put this in this room. Box out of here. Doop. Sengled Smart LED bulb Wi-Fi. I don't want to say her name because it's going to set mine off and Google smart things. So should be easy, no hub required. So that's a bonus. And 16 million colors. Oh baby. Can't wait to test this out. 25,000 hours. 2.4 for the Wi-Fi. Alright, let's take a look. Nice packaging. I like the pop it gives out with the colors. I might need to know what app I'm going to have to use. There we go. Small little manual. Like I said, here she is. Got the multicolor right there. Wi-Fi. Ooh. There's bar QR code. Alright. I'm going to pause you guys. Let's see really quick. What's the app called? Download the latest version of There you go. From the Apple App Store to Google Play. So either or. We're going to do it on iPhone. So there we go. In case you lose your directions, you can always check this, but it should be easy. Sengled Home app. Okay, another app I'm going to download. And we're going to take a look how easy it is to download. Oh, here we go. Here's the side. Voice control, app control, wake up to light control. You're lighting from anywhere. No hub. Sweet. Okay, be right back. Alright guys, here it is on the App Store. This is what it looks like. So you just type it in Sengled home and hey, go get it. Bing. Install time is quick. Wi-Fi is really good tonight. Bam. Open. Allow. I don't think I have an account. Okay, email. So let's enter your email. Okay, hold on 1 sec. Alright guys, that was really easy to set up. Once you go into this, you're going to get a activation code sent to your email. Type it in, and boom. Now there's their choices. Smart LED, that's the one we got. So we're gonna go into dark mode in a second. So brace yourselves. We will get through the darkness to see the light. So here we go, guys. Oh man, should be a simple. Ooh, there we go. All right, that's a nice color. I like that. Make a smooth reading light. Okay. Let's get this going. Confirm. Yes. LED confirm. Okay. Okay. Allow. Go to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi settings. Sengled. Okay. 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 One sec. Alright guys, we got it just about. It started flashing. See that? I like that color right there. It's definitely a chill mode color. Almost there. I think we got it connected though, because it did a little flashing different colors for a second, and then it went to that mode. And we're just about done. Party time. Excellent. Yes. Oh, baby. I think we are connected. Uh-oh. Hold on one sec. Alrighty guys, I totally screwed up about my password, so make sure you double check your password. And then boof. Look at that, computer light, that's what I'm going to name it. And then hit turn, hit done. Come on. Why did it freeze? Oops. Oh. Computer. Just gotta add the name. Oops, adjust. There we go. Just gotta add the name. There we go. There we go. Computer light. Amazon Alexa. Allow. I don't want to show the password. Give me 1 second. Oh boy. Now this is really cool, guys. This has a lot of features. We got down here color cycle, which is it's slowly changing. That's pretty cool. There's green. It's pretty clear light bulb. Look at that though. There's blue. Pink. Red. And orange. And then you could always adjust it by doing that. And this is going to be random. It's kind of like a strobe rhythm of the night. For your parties. Christmas time. Whoa. Oh, green and red. Oh boy. Halloween. That is Halloween. Ah, that's pretty cool. Whoa. Festival. And it's super easy. Then you could go up here, change it to warm. That's original color. Color I like is that one right there. Soft. White. Daylight. Cool. Oh, that's not bad. And of course the this one, I can just change it random. 16 million colors. Got a lot to choose from. And it's really bright too. You can always change the temperature, brightness, single. What does that mean? Oh, alright. So I think we covered pretty much. And you can always tell, Alexa or Google Assistant once you get it set up. Brightness. All the way up. All the way down. That's still pretty good though for all the way down. 2%. That's crazy. Alright guys, check them out. Take a look at the other items they also have besides this light bulb. And you guys be safe. Have a good day and see you soon. See ya.